Wait, are you still wasting hundreds of hours a year literally repeating yourself to your AI? What if your AI never, ever forgot a single document, brainstorm, or project you gave it? In today's high-speed explainer covering Google's massive 2026 update, we're breaking down what might just be the ultimate AI workspace. Because, look, we've all been there, right? You spend hours upon hours meticulously feeding an AI all your context, getting your strategy perfectly dialed in, but then you come back a few days later and boom, complete amnesia. You're forced to start from square one. It is a massive productivity killer for your startup, your content, or your research. But here's the thing, Google actually recognized this fatal flaw, and so they completely rewired how their AI workspaces function to fix it for good. The absolute game changer here is that instead of you constantly doing the manual grunt work, Google has officially merged NotebookLM and Gemini into one single synchronized ecosystem. It used to be that NotebookLM handled your research and Gemini handled your chats, and they lived in totally separate worlds behind this frustrating digital wall. Well, not anymore. Now, every single notebook you create in Gemini automatically pops up in NotebookLM, and vice versa. Zero manual transfers. No exporting, no downloading, no dragging files around. You can basically think of it like a Google Drive specifically built for your AI brain. Every notebook becomes a dedicated workspace for a specific goal. So you can have a YouTube content notebook over here and a startup strategy notebook over there, each holding its own unique, isolated context. Okay, so let's dive into how this actually works, starting with this idea of persistent notebook memory. Inside each of these dedicated notebooks is a simple memory setting, but what it does in practice is honestly profound. As the source material notes, for the first time your AI isn't just spitting back responses, it's actually accumulating understanding. Because it can look back at months of previous conversations within that specific notebook, it stops acting like a goldfish and starts acting like a dedicated team member who's just been sitting right beside you the whole time. And the new autosync feature takes this to a whole new level. Let's say you edit your original Google Doc. Well, NotebookLM just refreshes automatically. Your AI is instantly up to speed. In the old days, if you updated a business plan, the AI was stuck referencing the old version until you went in, deleted it, and re-uploaded the new one. Now, it turns static documents into a living, breathing knowledge system. Now, all of this magic is powered by sheer brute force under the hood, a massive 1 million token context window. And I know that's a big, abstract number, but don't let it gloss over you, because this changes everything in the real world. Because of that 1 million token capacity, you can upload literally everything simultaneously. We're talking entire books, massive research libraries, dense financial reports, product docs, interview transcripts, academic papers, all at once. You can dump an entire company's history into this thing and instantly ask it to find growth opportunities based on all that data combined. It goes from being a helpful little chatbot to a full-blown virtual research department. But how does this actually help you execute your work? Let's take a look at what this means for creators. This ecosystem has this crazy ability to magically turn your raw notes into actual usable content assets, which is going to save you hours every single week. For instance, you can generate short, cinematic video overviews straight from your raw research sources without ever opening an editing program. Or if you're making presentations, you just use simple text prompts to rewrite and redesign slide decks. You just tell it, hey, make slide 5 more professional or add more data to this section, and it automatically executes it and exports straight to PowerPoint. And hey, it's not just for content creators and business folks. If you're a student, this is an absolute lifeline. Say you're cramming for finals or trying to write a massive thesis. NotebookLM builds a complete study system right out of the box. You just upload your textbook and it instantly generates flashcards, practice quizzes, and study guides. But the absolute best part? This new progress tracking feature. It actually monitors the concepts you've mastered and the ones you keep missing, and then it builds custom study sessions focusing strictly on your weak points. So, seeing all this, you might be wondering, okay, which tool am I actually supposed to use? Well, the beautiful part is you don't have to choose anymore. You use Gemini to execute the complex tasks, coding, planning, reasoning. And you use NotebookLM for the grounded research, the document analysis, and the citations. They feed into each other flawlessly, storing your entire life seamlessly in your notebooks. Which brings us to a massive realization. When you step back and look at this entire interconnected ecosystem, this isn't just a fun new feature. It isn't just a software patch. We are looking at the first true AI operating system. It's an entirely new way of working where your tools actually build a cumulative understanding of who you are and what you do, getting sharper and more intuitive every single day. So, I've got a question for you all, and I want you to drop your answers down in the comments. With this insane autosync upgrade and that million token persistent memory, do you think this NotebookLM and Gemini combo finally dethrones ChatGPT and Claude? Is this the ultimate AI workspace we've been waiting for? Let's debate it down below and keep exploring these incredible tools.